Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this 2025 LED rechargeable headlamp by Massmajor with sensor. We have 11 light modes, we have a zoom function, 75% adjustable and IP44. Super bright LED laser headlamp for jogging, for camping and fishing, and all the other stuff what you are going to do, like working in a garage or something else. This headlamp with a sensor and 12 light modes. This headlamp have high, medium, low and strobe light. Patterns to meet all our needs. Sensor mode, the LED headlamp is equipped with the latest intelligent sensors, so we can turn them on or off with one hand movement. And we have a zoom function. In the focus itself, they slide it forward and wrap back and allows us to adjust the size of the light point. And we have a super bright headlamp itself, because this headlamp uses a P8 LED chip with a high performance lamp of 15 watt. This emits a bright, stable and even light. Its brightness can reach 1000 lumen. These are real lumens. And the irradiation distance more of the less than 100 meter. After 30 minutes, the LED laser headlamp automatically switches to energy saving mode to better protect the eyes of the maintained brightness. And 1200 mAh battery. This is the headlamp which is rechargeable. It comes with a high capacity built-in rechargeable battery. It can be used for 2.5 up to 9 hours in different light modes without constantly charging light, and can be fully charged for 3 hours with the USB cable Type-C. The rechargeable headlamp has 4 energy indicators to show the battery capacity. Easily check the remaining battery and guarantee the load in time. And very lightweight. This headlamp is for jogging. Really cool. It weighs only 94 grams. The headlamp can be carried at any time, and the length of the elastic strap can be adjusted to our head size. This making it ideal for both adults and children. This headlight can also be adjusted from 0 up to 75 degrees, so we can focus the light we need. And it's waterproof IP44. The headlamp has an IP44 rating. The high-quality case is more sealed and delicious, which is suitable for rain or snow, indoor or outdoor. So it is a great partner for activities such as cycling, hiking, hunting, camping, and so on. The kit contains the front headlamp, the headband, USB cable, and a lot of fun. We can easily make a mode switch, because we have only 2 buttons there, the mode button and the wave sensor. The mode button is the mode switch. We short press to switch the 4 light modes: high, medium, low, strobe and off. And a light mode, after 8 seconds, short press the switch to turn it off. And we have a wave sensor. This is the other button. The distance between the hand and the headlamp should not exceed 15 centimeters. We can make a long press for 3 seconds to enter the sensor mode. Then short press to switch 3 levels of brightness: low, medium, high. And finally, a long press again for 3 seconds to exit the sensor mode again. In sensor mode, when the light is off and there is no operation, within 10 seconds the mode will automatically exit. And if we are going to use the zoom function, we twist the head of the light to move between the fluid and the spot beam. The headband plate can adjust its angle between 0 and 75 degrees. The materials are ABS and PC. The light source is a P8 LED. The runtime is 100% 2 hours, 50% 4 hours. The battery is a 3.7 volt, 1200 mAh. The size is 64.5 to 43.3 to 52 millimeter. The weight is only 94 grams. We do not use the light directly illuminating our eyes. When using it the first time, we should fully recharge it before first use. It is, if it is not used for a long time, it recommends to charge it every 3 months or 4 months. Then it will go on with the operations continuously as we need it. This is the Massmajor. Really cool headlamp Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.